Welcome to Arc Dev Labs. It's good to see you.
Hey Jarvis, welcome to Daddy's home.
Affirmative, sir. I've initiated scan protocols on the Mark L nanosuit. Currently analyzing the TIO nanotech composition and 3.0 GW power output, all within nominal parameters.
Start scanning. Just start scanning, Jarvis.
Scan initiated, sir. I'm running a level 3 diagnostic on the Mark L nanosuit, analyzing structural integrity, power output, and systems functionality. Data streaming in, sir.
Tell me everything about alignment suit in all modes.
An exhaustive analysis, sir. The Mark L nanosuit, in its current configuration, boasts a 98.7% structural integrity, with the TIO nanotech armor providing optimal protection. Switching to X-ray view to examine the internal systems. Current view mode, X-ray. Repulsor technology, arc reactor, and servo systems all nominal. Would you like to explore specific modes, such as stealth or combat configurations, sir?
Yeah, change to thermal mode.
Thermal mode activated, sir. Current view mode, thermal. I'm now analyzing the Mark L nanosuite's heat signatures, noting a stable temperature of 37 C, with minor thermal fluctuations in the repulsor systems and arc reactor.
That's great.
Glad you approve, sir. The thermal signature suggests optimal energy efficiency and minimal heat dissipation, a testament to the suit's advanced nanotech and arc reactor design.
I am seeing some glitch in arc reactor.
Alert, sir. Arc reactor telemetry indicates a minor fluctuation in plasma flow, potentially causing the glitch. I'm running a level 2 diagnostic to isolate and rectify the issue. Would you like me to attempt a remote calibration, sir?
Yeah, just go it. Just go for it, Jarvis.
Sir, the diagnostic is complete, and I've identified the source of the glitch, a faint resonance mismatch in the arc reactor's oscillator. Initiating automated correction sequence to synchronize the plasma flow and stabilize the reactor.
Yeah, just change it to combat mode.
Combat mode activated, sir. The Mark L nanosuit is now configured for optimal battle performance, with repulsors charged and all systems ready for deployment. Current view mode, combat.
Fire repulsors.
Repulsors online, sir. Firing at 30% capacity, energy output, 900 MW. Repulsor beams are now discharging, with a stabilized plasma stream and optimal beam coherence.
Start shielding.
Deploying nanotech shield, sir. Shield matrix online, with 97.4% coverage and 3.2 GW of protective energy output. Shield harmonics stabilized, ready to deflect incoming attacks.
Fly. Start flying.
Repulsor propulsion engaged, sir. Vertical takeoff sequence initiated, with stabilizers online and thrust vectoring calibrated. We're now airborne, ascending at 50 meters per second.
That's great.
Flight systems nominal, sir.
Start
Currently cruising at 200 meters altitude, with velocity at 50 meters per second and all systems functioning within parameters.
Start demo.
Wire, initiating Mark L nanosuit demo mode, sir. Running combat simulation protocol, with repulsor blasts and suit X-ray mode penetrates surface layers, revealing internal component architecture. Thermal imaging active. Displaying heat distribution across all subsystems.
Hey Jarvis.
Affirmative, sir. Mark L nanosuit structure mode highlights material composition and load-bearing elements.